सैफ, फ्रॉम योर अर्ली डेज, आपकी पहली फिल्म में लंबे बाल थे, अब छोटे हो गए हैं। सूरज बड़जात्या से लेकर अब कुंदन शाह की फिल्म, तो आप अपनी इस जर्नी को कैसे देखते हैं?
Um, I think I've always worked with known directors and not so known directors. My first couple of films were with Umesh Mehra and Yash Chopra, and after that, I don't know. I mean, I'm prepared to work with anybody. Obviously, the better, the better. Um, so sometimes you're lucky and you get good films, and sometimes you're not.
This is conscious decision to work with people like Kundan Shah.
Well, it's not an unconscious decision. Um, most of my decisions are conscious, and it. I mean, I was offered the films, and I sort of obviously accepted them. I mean, you don't say no to uh, such great makers, obviously. I mean, one's here to work.
कुंदन शाह सीरियस सिनेमा के लिए जाने जाते हैं, आपका क्या कहना है इस बारे में?
Well, I don't think Kundanji was known for serious cinema. He's known for comedy.
कॉमेडी।
In serious cinema. Um, so yeah, certainly, of course, I would like to. I mean, it gets a bit boring doing the same thing. Uh, but let's see. Yeah, definitely, I would like to do something more serious.
इससे पहले आपने दो हीरोज वाली कई सक्सेसफुल फिल्में की हैं, इस बारे में क्या कहेंगे? खासकर अक्षय कुमार के साथ काम करने का अनुभव आपका कैसा रहा?
Well, you see, I don't really think about anything much apart from what the story is and what the script is like and who the director is. So it doesn't really make a difference if it's a two-hero film or a solo hero film. Obviously, it's important to people in the trade and in terms of market and things like this. But for me, it's been mainly what kind of role. And in the past, there's been some good roles with films with Akshay, and that's been great fun. And I mean, I actually don't understand the question. What do you mean?
आपने टू हीरोज वाली कई सक्सेसफुल फिल्में की हैं,
Yeah.
क्या आप आगे भी इसी तरह की फिल्में करना चाहेंगे या फिर अपने प्लान में कुछ बदलाव लाएंगे?
I'm not actually that concerned about changing it also. I mean, I would just like to do the best work that I can do whenever. I'm an actor, and anybody wants to hire my services. If the role is interesting, I'll be very excited to work with them. Simply,
इससे पहले कुंदन शाह जी से बात हुई,
yeah.
उन्होंने बताया कि यह एक इशू बेस्ड फिल्म है जिसमें प्रीति लीड रोल में है। आपका किरदार इस फिल्म में किस तरह का है?
Well, I'm playing a boy in college who has got many problems, it seems, and he likes to have lots of girls in his life, but not very seriously. And our heroine also comes across this boy and is very attracted to him, but he's not necessarily a very good boy for her and her family. But he's very interesting for her. And I suppose part of the story is based on how her relationship with him develops, whether it works out or not, because he's a dangerous person to have a relationship with emotionally. And so I'm playing that sort of dangerous element in terms of he's slightly mentally disturbed, not like like a special person or like an underprivileged person, but he's slightly evil. He has many problems, and he seems he wants to hurt women. So that's interesting for me, because normally you're playing a Casanova type character who is a nice person. So this is a Casanova role who is not a very nice person, and but he doesn't care, and he's very honest, which is what makes him heroic in my eyes. That he does what he wants to do, and most of us are a bit scared to do what we want to do.
आपने इस रोल के लिए किस तरह की प्रिपरेशन की है?
Um, well, it's not such a complicated role that requires that much preparation. I suppose not much preparation at all because it's something I've never done before. But it's inside everybody, I think, to behave like this. He has problems with his mother, this character, and because of that, he has problems with other women. So it's a very simple thing to understand. And everybody has a slightly dark side to their nature. Not everybody is always smiling and always. So, in that sense, it was easy to understand. And obviously, with Kundanji's direction, it was much easier. But again, like I say, interesting role for me.
तो आप क्या कोई भी रोल करने से पहले किसी खास किस्म की तैयारी करते हैं?
Well, yeah, it depends. Obviously, a bit of preparation in the sense that I try and understand what the character is like. Um, I mean, the last time I sort of prepared something was in Kache Dhage, really, where I'm supposed to be an ad executive. So, I mean, I know a few of those people. So I tried to imagine how they would react in these situations. And the kind of upcoming, upwardly mobile Indian young businessman, you know. So generally, I think of people that I know who I like this character. Sometimes it's me only. Sometimes it's somebody else.
फिल्म की कहानी पहाड़ों पर आधारित है, तो हिल स्टेशन टाइप म्यूजिक का इस्तेमाल फिल्म में ज़्यादा किया गया है। आपको फिल्म का म्यूजिक कितना पसंद आया?
पहला गाना सबसे अच्छा लगता था, इन कदमों के नीचे. Party music is okay, but I mean, this film has got. I wouldn't say it's party music. I'd just say it's simple and melodious kind of music. It's not a rock kind of based like Janam Samjha Karo or something, and neither is it Kache Dhage, which is more Rajasthani and folk based. So it's a little hill stationy in terms of. But what is hill station music? There's no such thing as hill station music, no. It's very pleasant listening and uplifting kind of music. And tips are so good that they know exactly what kind of film to give, what kind of music. You know, like Kache Dhage had different music. Another film, some of Salman's films which he's done with Rameshji have got different music. And this picture has got music that's suited to the characters. Because the characters are basically quite simple, apart from my character. So the music is also quite simple and about the simple values of life. Family songs, there's some family songs about a nice, quiet, well-to-do family. And even the college song is not like a... there are dancing songs in the film, of course. And each character songs are based on their personality. So some of the songs that I've done are a little more aggressive, and some of Preeti's songs are very soft and things like that. And Chandrachud songs are very romantic. Hi, I'm Saif. You're watching Lehre, and it's been with us forever, as long as I can remember, and a great channel. And keep it up, guys.